Veliko Tarnovo. We are here today. We want to explore a little bit this city. We've been here before, but long time ago, so we don't remember exactly how the place was. But today we're gonna do this vlog and gonna show you the most beautiful places that you can see, and you can decide at the end of this video if you liked it or not and if you think it's worth a visit. By the way, if you decide to come here, you have two options. You either land on Sofia airport, which is about 3 hours away, or you can land in Bucharest, Romania, which is about 2.5 hours. From there you can rent a car or you can book a trip. Maybe I'll leave some links with the trips that you can book from Bucharest. You'll have less struggle with renting a car and passing the borders. And without further ado, we're gonna visit the first place, which I'm gonna show you to you. I don't know if you can see it from here. Is this area is called Tsarevets fortress. So let's get there first.
Hours from dawn as I'm driving at night, waiting to get somewhere. What can go wrong when we say it outright? I really wish you would.
So to get here, the ticket costs 10 leva per person, which is about €5 per person. And this is the first view. This is the monastery that you'll see how interesting it is inside. And this is the view over the valley. And here is the city, and here as well.
There's too much gonna pass us by if we don't talk like we should. Won't you tell me something?
If you stay in this city on evening as well, you have a festival of light. I'll leave the site where you can check when it happens, because it doesn't happen every night. I think it's a nice area where we can have a hike and enjoy the views as well, although it's not that much to see because they're only ruins, except for that church that we're gonna see the last one, because it's a long way till there. But I recommend to not miss a walk near this fortress, or inside this fortress. Hello.
Far away from home, won't you tell me something good? Won't you tell me something good?
If you come here, make sure before you come you take enough water, because here there are only these two vending machines. There's nothing else where you can buy water, and it's nearly running out, and it's not summer, so make sure you bring water with you though.
So show me something real. I can't do it.
And this is the view from the church, from the top of Veliko. I was telling you earlier about this church, why it's so special. As you can see, the paintings, they are not like the paintings you see in every church, and because of this church it was never used for its purpose as a church, so it's just a place that you can visit and admire the paintings of the walls. Tsarevets fortress was built in 1183 and it represented the House of Royals until 1393, when it was sieged by Ottoman forces and burned down. Destroying this fortress came as a mark of the fall of the Bulgarian Empire. This is the area where we walked earlier, and there's the church and the park, and we are going back to the town, which is somewhere there. Look at these bells, how big they are, so that you can have yourself an idea. I'll go there to see. Now that we visited the fortress, we are going to have a lunch and then explore some more, so stay tuned. We stopped at the first restaurant that we saw. It's called the Green Restaurant, and this is the menu. How the restaurant looks like, very traditional, very simple, old-fashioned, but it's nice. I ordered some chicken with fries and veggies and some bread, which we already ate it because we waited more than 40 minutes or even more. I don't know why we waited so much. Hope it's good. It looks alright. Let's see. This is the restaurant we chose to eat. Unfortunately, the food wasn't the best and the serving was horrible. We asked for salad, she didn't bring, and we waited more than 40 minutes for the food. We are now on Gurko Street, one of the historical streets of Veliko Tarnovo. We found a yard here. I think it's a restaurant or something. Look at this rose here. So nice. It looks so medieval with these chairs. Apparently this is not a restaurant. The restaurant is here, but this one is an art gallery. It costs 10 leva per person. And look at these roses. And this is a fountain here. There's an eagle or something like that. Here a pigeon. I think all of them are pigeons actually. In this place, exactly 8 years ago, I remember taking some photos. If I found them, I'll insert them here to see them, to see how much I changed. Here somewhere is the fortress. Here is where we park the car, it's for free. And on the left side you have a church that you can visit. The price is 3 leva per person. We found this beautiful place to sit down a little bit. So green. I'm so happy the trees are already starting getting green. And the spring is coming. On our walk through the city, we stopped at a souvenir shop to buy some, I don't know, some stuff, some Bulgarian things, and I want to show you what we got. First we got this Turkish delight with roses. I don't know how it is, we never tried. Of course I could not buy the traditional Bulgarian perfume. It smells amazing. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but the smell is amazing, so I had to buy one. A hand cream, the same, with roses. Turkish delight with melon, and some jam, same, with roses. I never tried to eat something like this. I'm very curious how it's gonna be. For all these souvenirs we paid 37 leva, which is about less than 15 euros. We opened the box with traditional Bulgarian delight. And it tastes like basil. It doesn't taste like I don't know how the roses taste because I never tried, but not like if you plan a trip in Bulgaria and you want to put Veliko Tarnovo on your list, you can spend here even half of the day. I think would be enough. You see the fortress, you have a walk on that park around it, and have a walk on the streets in the old quarter and see the churches in the town, maybe have a meal, and that's half of your day here. If you want to visit more places, you can go to Arbana Sea. You can book a hotel there. It's like the village is on the top of a hill and you have a very nice view of Veliko Tarnovo from there. I've seen on booking.com very nice hotels with swimming pools, some of them having wellness and spa, and I think it's a nice place to relax if you want to spend more time in the area. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. Please give a subscribe if you like to see more vlogs from me, and I see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!